Clearance confirmed. Open the gate. Roger that. Opening the gate.
Billions of dollars in physical currency move safely every day through a coordinated network of vaults, counting centers, and armored logistics. How cash from banks, ATMs, retailers, and federal institutions enters secure facilities for verification. How cash from banks, ATMs, retailers, and federal institutions enters secure facilities for verification.
We examine the texture, the watermark, and the security thread. The findings are then logged digitally before the note is approved.
Rest assured, all procedures are clearly defined. We provide complete oversight to calmly resolve any issue that arises.
The system recommends full redistribution for the Western Quadrant.
We have movement on Sector 4.
Rerouting aerial surveillance now. Confirming transport vector.
Tires look good, pressure checked.
Undercarriage clear. Moving to the rear.
Pay close attention to the updated timing windows on Route B. If the primary route is compromised, initiate contingency protocol Omega immediately.
Authorization initiated. Vehicle confirmed ready.
Dual authorization approved. Proceed to loading bay.
And stuff.
We are initiating the isolation sequence. Internal doors are closing, creating a secure transfer chamber.
Release command received.
Confirmation granted. Docking bay unlocked.
Systems active. Acquiring signal. Vehicle speed, 120 kilometers per hour. Status, optimal. Position coordinates confirmed.
Control, this is Regional Team Alpha. Departure acknowledged. We are standing by for support if needed.
Team Bravo copies. Standing by. Convoy mission active. All systems reporting green.
Route adherence confirmed. Proceeding to waypoint Charlie.
Bravo team, this is convoy lead. We have multiple risks approaching from the rear. Increase speed.
Identity verified. Convoy mission protocol initiated.
Branch secure. Ready for pickup.
Transferring cassette 1
Confirmed.
and cassette 2.
Verified.
Dual authorization confirmed. Initiating sequence.
Confirmed. Seals engaged. ATM public ready.
The camera focuses on return containers, excess or used cash collected for processing and redistribution, completing the cash cycle.
Unloading sequence authorized. Digital confirmation received. Responsibility transferred to facility.
Bundle integrity confirmed on this side.
Same here. Bills are secure, ready for transport.
Convoy mission active.
All stations, confirm status.
Control reports all systems green, Commander. Facility is standing by for outbound. With the containers sealed and moving to the vaults, the transition is complete, signaling national
The velocity index is spiking in the southern quadrant.
Inventory balance can't keep up with that demand shift. We need to reroute.
Weather disruptions and demand spikes are converging here.
We need to mitigate the risk now to keep the cash flow secure.
Primary node compromised. We need continuity activation now.
Rerouting systems. Backup facilities confirmed online. Status indicators confirm temperature control, access integrity, and inventory accuracy across all nationwide vault facilities.
Everything calibrated in Sector 4?
Just finished the diagnostic. All green.
The power coupling on Vehicle 4 is secure.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show green across the board. Ready for deployment.
Reconciliation complete. Good work.
Thank you. The shipment is prepped.
All systems are operational. The vehicles are ready for immediate deployment.
Physical cash still plays a critical role in the U.S. economy, and its safety depends on disciplined systems and human responsibility.
Resilience, transparency, and trust. How millions of daily transactions rely on this invisible infrastructure functioning flawlessly.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Gen Artisan Factory to explore more cinematic documentaries revealing the industrial systems that power everyday life.